Hello friends, welcome back to Udu Hub. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to add an icon to our custom app. Now our app looks professional with its own icon. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn one of the most important concepts in Udu development. What is model in Udu and how to create our first model from scratch. So let's get started. First, let's understand what a model is. In simple words, a model in Odoo represents a database table. Whatever data you want to store in Odoo, like students, employees, product, books, you need to create a model. Each model creates a table in the database. Now, let's create our first model step by step. Open your code editor and open custom app folder. Inside your module, open the models folder. If you don't have a models folder, create one. Now inside the models folder, create a new Python file. For example, asset.py. You can name the file anything you like, but it's good practice to name it something related to your model. First, we create a class for our model. The class should inherit from models.model because every Odoo model is based on this. So we have to import models and fields from Odoo. This lets us create models and define fields for our database table. To give our table a technical name, we use name parameter. This is how Odoo knows what table to create in the database. We can also give a friendly description for our model using description parameter. This is optional but recommended. It helps identify the model in Odoo's interface. Now, to create columns in our table, we add fields inside the class. First, write the field name, then equal to, write fields dot, and here you can see a list of all available fields type in Odoo. Since we want to create a name column, we choose character type. Finally, add the string parameter to give your column a label. And that's it. Now we have a simple model with one field ready to store data in Odoo. Now save the file and restart the Odoo server. Go to Odoo and refresh the browser. Click on Update App List and after update, refresh the screen. Let's activate our custom app. If you have already activated, so upgrade it. Once activated, let's verify our model. Go to Settings, then Technical and check for models. Here you will see a list of all available models in Odoo. Now search for our model. As you can see, our model is not found. Why? Because although we created the models folder and added our Python file, we missed the one important step. Odoo does not automatically detect files inside the models folder. We need to tell Odoo to load them. For that, we have to create init file inside models folder. So I will copy existing init file and paste inside models folder. Now import our Python file inside it. This tells Odoo to load our model file. Now again save the file and restart the server. Go to Odoo and update app list. After update, refresh the screen and upgrade our module. Now let's check again. Go to settings, then technical and click on models. Let's again search for our model. As you can see, our model still not found. Now we need one more step. We have to add models folder inside main init file. Odoo first read the main init file inside our module. Then it looks for the models folder. Then it checks the models init file and finally it will loads our Python file. Now everything is properly connected. Save the file and restart the server. Go to Odoo, refresh the screen and upgrade our custom app. Now check again. As you can see, our model is created successfully. Here you can see our field name displayed. Along with it, you will notice some other fields. Don't worry, those are default fields automatically created by Odoo. Every model in Odoo has these default fields and they help Odoo manage records efficiently. Now that you have learned how to create a model, let's create one more for practice. So I will copy and paste existing model and change all data. As you can see, we have created one more new model asset category. As you already know, we must import this file inside models init file. So let's add. Now remember, we do not need to modify the main init file again because the models folder is already imported there. Now save the file and restart the server. Open Odoo, refresh the screen and upgrade the app. Now let's verify our model. As you can see, our new model is created successfully. Here you can see our name field listed. And again, you will notice some default fields created automatically by Odoo. That's it for today's tutorial. In the next video, we will learn how to create a menu inside Odoo. So stay tuned and keep learning. Thanks for watching.